This right here is our small companion known as Dasai Mochi. At a time, he can show up to 80 emotions, and you can even interact with him just by patting his head. I've used all these components to summon him into this world, powered by a microcontroller that drives his display and brings those emotions to life. So now, let's make him step by step. We need a display, an ESP32-C3, a touch sensor, mini speaker, and some wires. Now hook up all your components onto the breadboard, wherever you like. Now it's wiring time. I'll leave the connection diagram link down in the description, so you gotta check that out. And you can add any power sources like a lithium polymer batteries to power them up. It's speaker time. So now the wiring is done. Now open up your laptop and type this website name. Now hook up your ESP to your laptop. Now click on install and select the port and wait for your code to upload. It takes a minute to fully upload your code. So now it's uploaded and your Mochi has come to life. If you want to customize your Mochi, click on this setting and connect to your ESP32. So now you can set the GIF speed, emotions, touch emotions, and also has Bluetooth connectivity. So that's how he has come to this world with emotions. Thanks for watching and comment if you have any doubts on him.